Y ahora...
Tenemos un fantasma en el escenario.
Bueno, ¿qué más da de lo que habla la canción? Se llama The Goof Is Gone.
Ahí vamos.
One, two, three, yeah. I keep on dreaming of that girl, but when she pushed my head, it was time to decide again. So I've been riding her baseline. I was so excited, but I was right out the time. Looking backwards, I was lost in pride. Now we choose this, that's a fact. But love was right, time was wrong. When you think about it, the good thing's gone. Should have told from the start. When things were to go wrong, I wasn't going to let you